Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is from a company called Yes Oh Yes, and this is a monthly subscription that you receive 3 to 7 full-sized beauty products for $14.99, and you do pay the shipping, which is $3.99. So it's basically $19. If you stay subscribed and active for 4 months, you get a free beauty item, and you can also pay monthly, which is the $14.99 plus the shipping. You can pay for 3 months all at once, which is $42 plus shipping, and then you can do a 6-month prepay, and I think that's $81 plus the shipping. And I know a lot of states nowadays are making these companies, add on sales tax. So I do think I paid like $20 and change, or $21, something like that, for this bag. And this is the first time I am doing this this bag. And I know in the past there's been a lot of controversy with Yes Oh Yes. They're just doing some outlandish things, and hopefully they have everything straightened out and get their act together and just be a beauty bag. And so I figured I would give them a try. If I don't like what I'm getting or what they're doing, it's very simple to cancel, and it comes in a bubble mailer. I just opened it for ease of time. And this month is Girl Power. I think this is the March 2019 bag. So this is Girl Power and the Yes Oh Yes, which I am all about. And then the back of the card. Okay, so with a lot of these subscription services, it's the truth. The moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup again, because you get so much makeup in these, I can't tell you really the last time that I physically had to go buy, a mascara. I mean, I have a drawer full of them, and probably, and I do give a lot of them away. Now in this bag, the card, there's no card. And I know they had problems with pricing in the past, so, they don't include any of that anymore. And they don't even give you, on their card what, I guess you can read from the packaging, but they at least would list the products. And this is from Mirabella Eye and Semi-Sweet Eye Crown. So I'll open that up. And this is what the packaging looks like right here. This is what the product looks like. Very creamy. It's a very dark shadow, so that's it right there. But very nice. I mean, very, very creamy. I'm not going to complain about that. So that's the first product. And, with no prices, I would have to look up all these items, which I might, and then put them in the description box below so that you guys know. And this is from Bella Terra, and this is the Mineral Cosmetics Mascara. I'm assuming this is black. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, pitch black is the... Maybe we'll get a focus, maybe not. Of course not. Okay, so it's pitch black mascara. I've seen so many people having focus problems. I just don't understand. Now, I am not going to open this mascara. I have so many mascaras open. I probably just will save this and include it in a giveaway. So this, just has their name on the front. Bella Terra Mineral Cosmetics Mascara. And this is good for 6 months, and it shows you, of course, that's probably never going to focus. This symbol right here, which is the open jar, with the lid. It has a 6M. I don't know if we can get that to focus. I did a video on all of that. So once you open it and start using it, you have 6 months. So there we go. So these are Leaping Bunny. So this is, you know, cruelty free, which is nice. And this looks like it's a decent size thing of mascara. And this is made in Italy, and this is 10 ml or 0.3 ounces, which is probably the normal size for mascara. So we have an eyeshadow crown and a mascara in here. Let's see what this is. And then this is from Doucce or Doucce. And this is an eyeliner. And I'm not going to swatch this because I really just don't use black eyeliner. So, and this is a black one. So I can add this to a giveaway. So you have, you know, so far we have, you know, everything we need to get started. Then we have a lip product. And this is from Moira. Moira. Is that Moira? And this is a Lush Matte Cream in Butter Cake, and it has number 19 on it. And I'm going to open this and swatch this. This is a color that I generally like. I like the, like more like the brownie nudes. Of course, I can never get these open. Maybe from the bottom. Okay, we got that. So here is, oh, that has a nice, it almost feels like the NARS packaging, the lid, that black. It's a nice big doe foot applicator. And this is obviously a matte. Very creamy. Very nice. I love that color. So here is that right there. That's actually very pretty. I like that. So, you know, lip, eyes. And then, oh, we have a little palette in here. And this is Cheek to Cheek. And this is a blush duo in Peachy. And this is by IBY Beauty. So let's open that up. So basically, besides all your, you know, your foundation and all that other stuff, we have, that's really cute packaging. I like that. And then this opens up. Oh, okay. So we have mirrors there. I want to try and cover that because we're going to get all kinds of glare. So I can cover one, and let me take this off. This is nice. I love blush. We'll just take that off and we'll cover this. So these are the two colors. One is this first one here. Right here is Jive. And then this other one right here is Cha Cha. So this is, you know, definitely peachy. I like the product in the pan. It looks all kinds of puffy. Looks nice. And then Cha Cha is coming up almost like a coppery color on camera, but I would say it's a little bit more on the brownies, on the brown side, and it looks like it has a little bit of shimmer in it, which you can kind of see on camera, and this definitely does not. So I'm kind of liking that. So let's see if we can show you what these look like. Okay, so this here Jive is this very first one right here that I swatched. And then the Cha Cha is this one right here. So they're nice. I mean, they're kind of dark for me. You know, just go in with a light hand, but you could maybe, I mean, that's a little bit of a shimmer, but not really. I mean, you could use either one of these for eyeshadows. I mean, they're very, very pretty. And really nothing coming, of course, I'm making a mess with my fingers. Nothing really coming out in the pan. I mean, they are very creamy. They're just, you know, sometimes blush can be drying and I don't like that. But I love the packaging. I mean, that's adorable. And it's nice and sleek. So it will fit nicely in your makeup bag. You know, you're going away, vacation or on a weekend trip or whatever. And this would be something nice just to throw in your bag so that you're not having to, you know, take a big, gigantic palette with you. So that is my yes, oh yes, for the month of March 2019. You know, I'm not disappointed. Everything in here, you know, I would use. The lip product is very, very nice. Eyeshadow, a mascara I'll use for a giveaway. The eyeliner I'll use for a giveaway. If I didn't have a whole drawer full of both eyeliner and mascara, I would keep them and use them. The shadow is very nice too. And then the cheek palette I will definitely use. So remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think about this. I know with all the drama that had been going on as of late, I figured, you know what, everybody deserves maybe to start over and have a clean slate. So hopefully that's what they're doing. I would rather them with their card at least list the products that are going to be in your bag. I understand they had issues with pricing. They don't have to leave pricing. I can look them up if I really want to know. But I think they should still at least list the products on the card. I think that would be extremely helpful. And maybe a little bit about it would be nice. So, and don't forget to subscribe. That's very important. I'm trying to grow the channel and get to the 500 subscriber mark so I can do a giveaway. I have a giveaway video. So go, you know, make sure you find that video, watch it, and enter the giveaway. I could post that in the description box. And that's it for the video. And thanks so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you. And have a great day. Bye-bye.